Ondo price prediction. Basically, in the last video on the 19th of October, I gave you a really good long to this level where we have 10% more sellers than buyers, 253 and against 275, so 10%. Plus we have more sellers. If we went up, could have added to the short, took profit on the long, added the short. We had a crazy swing, was down. Now I'm up on it very well. I'm going for an 8% swing to the 67.31 area. Why right here? Because right here from the 6704 to basically right here, we have a very strong accumulation area right here, very strong accumulation, a lot more buyers than sellers. So I might be interested in taking a long if we get to it. I can make an Ondo video tomorrow. These are no BS videos. I do not want to waste a second of your time. So hit the like button if you appreciate that. If you want to learn more, I'll have some links in the description down below if you're interested to see how I am up 281 grand, as you can see right here on meme coins, and I'll have a link in the description down below for my signals chat and my